What's up, kitties? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this money blood drip nail type design. So stay tuned. But first, I want to, of course, plug me. Please go check out my website, kittyclothes.business. You'll find some rhinestones and chunky rhinestones, and of course my glitter mixes. So if you're interested, all the links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much. Those of you who have gone and have purchased, you guys are the best. And for anyone who hasn't, go check me out. So guys, as you can see, I have short nails. Nothing against them, it's just not my thing. I was trying something out because I broke my pinky, and it broke bad. Like, it was really bad. It was bleeding the whole 9 yards. I was trying to pick up a portable table that I have that I use when I'm mixing my glitters, and it's kind of heavy, and it just literally fell, and the only thing holding it was my nail. And yeah, it was terrible. But life goes on. I'm rocking the short do for now, but I'll be back to my long nails. Anyway, I'm just prepping Tiffany's hand. For anyone who has this nail trainer hand, as you can see, you have to buff the nail. And when you glue on the tip, make sure the tip is longer than the actual nail that you're using. And as you can also see, you have to hold it down. That's all it takes to use this nail trainer. Patience. Just patience. Once the tips are glued on, and I got these tips from AliExpress. I absolutely love them. I use them on myself when I'm doing long nails because they're already super long, and I don't have to double tip when I'm using these if I want a super long look on myself, you know. But yeah, once they're on, because they're stiletto, once you cut the stiletto tip off, you'll get yourself a coffin, and you just shape up that coffin. And then I go in and I blend the tip into the nail, kind of like what you would do for your regular nails. And guys, I found this money on Amazon. I absolutely love it. I will leave the link for them in the description box below. I love them. It's so dope. It's fake money, of course. I wouldn't cut up real money. Like, I don't got it like that. And even if I did, I wouldn't. Anyway, so to achieve the look, I am burning the money. So, some advice. Make sure you don't have anything else on your nail table when you're doing this. No chemicals at all. That is my disclaimer. No chemicals. It does give the money a very, very cool burnt look, and I love it. And once I chipped it up, burned them to my satisfaction, I'm going in with my own personal mix that I made for myself. And it's just a milky acrylic that I made, and I add some sparkle, like iridescent glitter to it. And I'm going in with that from the base of the nail, from the cuticle area down. So what I'm trying to do and achieve is cover up the brown fake nail that Tiffany has. And I would also do this on a real client because I like clear nails, but I don't like to see my natural nail underneath. I don't know. That's just me. Some people do. Some people don't mind. I do. But I felt like for the design purpose, it actually came out really, really cute. And I don't like the brown tip showing through when I use this nail trainer. That's the other downside of this nail trainer. The tips are always like this weird pink color or brown. Anyway, so while the acrylic is still wet, I take my money pieces that I cut up and burnt up, and I literally just hold it down until it sticks to the acrylic. You can also try to use some glue and just hold it down and stick it down. It will take a minute before it sticks. I won't lie to you, it takes a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my gold foil, and you're gonna see the error I made in my design in a little bit. So I started encapsulating, which is awesome, great, that's what you should do. But then I remembered when I was finished encapsulating that I was also adding some mailer flakes, some iridescent mailer flakes. And I had to add it later. So, rule of thumb, when you're like all over the place, like somebody like me, try to remember all the things and design elements and make sure they are on your table. Because, yeah, I messed up. But you'll see me come in later when I remembered, when I had my oh man moment, and I add them to the design. So basically this design, like I said, will include the money that I cut up. I burnt the money, then I put everything away. Before I did that, then once the money was sufficiently cut and burnt, and you know, that burnt money design kind of look, I then I brought my chemicals out to my table. So please guys, please, safety first. Please remember, do not have any chemicals out. Nail product chemicals are highly flammable, people. Your alcohol, your acetone, your monomer, do not. So be very careful, guys. So the elements of the design, again, is the burnt paper, gold foil, Malar flakes, and that milky iridescent type base color. And yeah, this is the moment I realized, oh crap. So I kind of threw it in there. It has a beautiful effect, guys, in the design. Like, I love Malar flakes and I love encapsulating. As a nail tech, and most nail techs have like their specialty thing, this thing that they're really good at. Like, there are some nail techs who do awesome 3D work with acrylic. That's not me. I can do some flowers, but I mean, some people do some crazy, like, beautiful stuff. I'm not there yet. Some people can do hand-drawn work. Beautiful. I can do some stuff, but shoo. I mean, there are artists. They are artists. They're drawing portraits and stuff, you know? But I love encapsulating. This is what I love doing on nails. Love encapsulation design. So, yeah. When it's encapsulated, it should look like this, guys. That's how you know your items are fully encapsulated. It gets shiny items become really dull. They don't shine like that. This is how you know you fully encapsulated something. So when you go back to finish file, you won't be filing off your designs. So that's just a little visual tidbit. And I'm going to show you this nail, the proper process again, only because, like I said before, on the other finger, I forgot to add in the Malar flakes when I was supposed to, you know? So once again, from the cuticle, I'm starting in and drawing that milky white. This is my own mix, and you can make your own mixes. I have a lot of videos on how to make mixes, but this is just a milky white that I created. It's just clear acrylic with white acrylic, and I added some like iridescent, very extra fine iridescent glitter to it. And then I go in with my gold foil leaves. I believe I got those from AliExpress, but you can go on Amazon and get some. I'm going in with my money while the acrylic is really wet, and I hold it down and pray that it sticks. If you get any trouble, guys, just add a little bit of your nail glue to it and hold it down. And like, I'm wearing gloves. I advise you wear gloves when you're doing encapsulations like this, because your hands or your own nails can get really messy trying to hold down items that need to be glued to wet acrylic or anything like that, okay? And then I'm going in with my Malar flakes, and then I will be encapsulating again. Of course, we're going to shape, regain the shape after you've laid your acrylic. Then we're gonna go over it with the drill bit and just smooth it out. I'm not using my other favorite drill bit that you guys always see me use from PANA. This is one of the drill bits that comes with your drills. Usually some drills they send you these like drill bits that don't last very long, so I decided to just use that when I do Tiffany's nails. So yeah, I'm just smoothing things down and getting my shape and everything nice and smooth. And oh guys, I have a grievance. I'm so upset. So you guys know I have my Melody SUSIE drill. Do you know that it stopped working? So pissed at Melody SUSIE, only because this is not the first time I've purchased something from Melody SUSIE and it stopped working. My Melody SUSIE SCARLET drill is the drill I have on my desk. It's really nice, low, like literally low to no vibration in the hand piece, but then it's just stopped working in reverse. Let me just say that. It works in forward. So those of you who have a drill know there's two, not speeds, but there's two ways that it rotates. So it can rotate forward or in reverse. It stopped rotating in reverse. It only rotates in forward. Even when I flick the switch for it to go reverse, it doesn't. It stays in forward. So I'm just like, what? And I've had the drill for less than a year, guys. Less than a year. I bought a Melody SUSIE LED UV lamp. It stopped working, and that lamp was like $60. Same thing with this Melody SUSIE SCARLET drill, $65 or something on Amazon. The lamp stopped working after 2 months of using it. Just crapped out. This doesn't work. I am so done with Melody SUSIE, so I'm beyond upset. If anybody knows any good nail drills, e-filers, please let me know in the comment section below, because your girl is pissed. Anyway, back to the video. I was using D&D Canadian Maple. It's a beautiful red, and I created my drip design. And then I'm just using D&D, I think it's called Snow White, or yeah, Snow White. And I'm using my nail art brush again, and I'm just drawing the money sign. And then you're gonna see me come back in and add some caviar beads and some rhinestones, of course, to the dollar sign. Now, the only thing with my design, I'm looking at it now, I have slightly larger caviar beads, and I feel like I should have used that, but I still think it kind of came out a little pretty. I don't know, you guys let me know. Should I have used the bigger ones, or were the small caviar beads sufficient? You'll see them just now. Yeah, you guys, so you drop your comment below. Let me know if I should have used bigger caviar beads, or were the small ones okay? And let me know about the e-filer. Please drop any kind of comment below, links below for me in the comment section for any e-file that you guys use that has stood the test of time. Please, that has stood the test of time, that being the most important part. Anyway, this is the finished product. I just love how the Malar flakes just, I don't know, it just does something extra to this design, and I love it. I love the burning the money. It was an extra step, but I feel like it came out super pretty. Love this set. I did this set on myself, and I didn't record it, so I had to recreate it on Tiffany for you guys. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. You guys, of course, are awesome. I'm just waiting so that I can hit 1,000 so that I can run a giveaway. So let's get there. Let's continue to like, comment, and share and subscribe. You guys are awesome. Bye, kitties.